If you're refunding even 5 orders a day for missing items, you're likely losing $10,000 to $12,000 a month. Let's break that down. Say your average order value is $60. You refund 5 a day. That's $300 daily. Multiply that across a 22-day fulfillment cycle, and you're out $6,600 in refunds alone. Let's say you spend another $10 in labor and logistics per correction. That's another $1,100. But here's what your spreadsheet won't show: the silent churn. Some of those customers won't complain, they'll just leave. Even if 10 of them were subscription or repeat customers, that could be $3,000 to $4,000 in lifetime value. Gone. All of it traces back to just one thing: you couldn't prove what was packed. Your WS says it was picked, your scanner beeped, but when the claim came in, you were guessing. And if your only source of truth is the customer telling you something's wrong, then your quality control starts after the problem has already left the building. So, here's the move. If you're doing over 100 orders a day, you can't afford to operate without proof. Not logs, not weight. You need visual, irrefutable proof. Build visibility where it matters. That's how you fix the losses no report is showing you.